What's up, people? Welcome back to another episode of Island Fever Artisan. My name is Dan, and today we're going to be making a Star Anise flavored vodka. I also like to call it my house absinthe because I punch it up with a bunch of other ingredients that kind of reflect the flavors in traditional absinthe, including cloves, cinnamon, peppercorn, and fennel. Also, we are going to have some wormwood in there, so we're going to have to order this. I put a link in the description. It's available on Amazon. It's super cheap. It's definitely going to bring this infusion to the next level that we need. The fennel and the anise stars work together very well to create that black licoricey flavor that we love in absinthe. Seal up your half-gallon jar, give it a shake, and put it in a dark cabinet for a month. It's been a whole month. I'm so proud of you guys. Now let's strain this and drink it. Strain your house absinthe through a cheesecloth lined fine strainer over a funnel into a clean glass jar.